Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I want to talk to you guys today about ShutterStock and can you make money with ShutterStock? So I've already uploaded about 45 images to ShutterStock in the past 5 months. I've been adding 30 initially and then I added about 20 more later on, a few months later. What I want to do is I want you guys to take a look at my results and how I've done, how much money I've made, and I have made money. So how much have I made? We have to check it out. But I want to tell you what I've been doing in order to make that. I am an amateur photographer. So what I've done is I didn't have a camera before. All I had was a phone, my iPhone at that, and now I have a better iPhone with a better camera. But what I was doing is I went to Ketchikan, Alaska for 7 months. Whole bunch of wildlife there in Alaska, bears, eagles, whales. So when I was in Alaska, I realized I needed a camera. So I bought a camera, I would say, a cheaper camera as compared to some of the more expensive versions. I bought a Canon Rebel T6, nothing super fancy, but it's a good starter camera. It came with 2 lenses. Let's go into the computer and see my results from uploading to ShutterStock right now. I want to let you guys know in the next 3 months is I'm going to upload 50 images per month, and then I'm going to upload 2 videos per month as well, and I'm going to try and squeeze in 1 vector image per month as well, and we'll see where it goes. But I want to show you my results from uploading the first 45 images. Hey, and as I'm going through the 90 days, guys, be sure to subscribe and follow me on this journey because I'm going to give you updates along the way of how much money I'm making and what images I'm uploading along the way as well. So check that out, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the video right now. Boom! All right, so I'm in the back end of my ShutterStock account right now, and what we're doing is I'm just going to go through and show you my results. So as you can see, I've uploaded 45 images, and here's the images I've uploaded. We can actually go to my image portfolio. You can see that I've sold 15 images. 15 images have sold, $3.25 from subscriptions, 37 cents from single and other, and 188 on demand. A total of 15 downloads, $5.50. Now I know right now that isn't very much, but it's okay because you know what? These images were going to be sitting. They're going to be sitting on my Toshiba hard drive for forever, and I wasn't going to be making any money off them. So I've made $5.50. That's not the threshold for a payout. I don't even know what the threshold is. Probably like $100 or $80 or I don't know what it is. Anyways, you can see the images I've sold right here. A couple eagle images. Let's see actually. Okay, the first image I've sold is this Zumbolt. The first image I sold is this Zumbolt Navy warship that came through Ketchikan actually, and I guess I've sold this a couple times. Usually I have a amount right here and how many you sold, but I'm gonna guess I've sold, well maybe I sold 1 because it's 37 cents. But here's some of the other ones. All right, so let's take a look at the portfolio I have right now. This is what all the images I've uploaded so far. You can see eagle, the boat, plane, eagles, Ketchikan life, really. All these eagles, birds, okay. Some really good ones, I mean, in my opinion, humbly. Some really nice images we have here. Here's this one with the salmon I was talking about. This wasn't the one that was on the cover. There's actually a different one, but as you can see, the bear's walking up. So I kind of cut his leg off a little bit there, but, you know, YOLO. So here's some of the other images I've loaded. That's all of them. That's all the images I have uploaded there. Made $5.50 in the last, let's see how long it's been since I've uploaded these. Okay, so let's see. May 2009 I started uploading, and then I uploaded a couple throughout here. But so May, almost March, April, May. I mean, it's almost been a year actually. So wow. $5.50 from 45 images, not too bad. Like I said, okay, so here's the numbers. 2 downloads for this image, 2 downloads for this image, 2 for this image, 1 for this one, and 1 for this one. And then 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Let's just see here, view all top performers. All right, the plane got 1, the boat got 1, the bear eating the meat got 1, the salmon market, and a couple landscapes and eagles there. So you can see the portfolio there. It's a different portfolio. It's not, you know, nothing, I guess, you know, pictures of eagles and birds or whatnot. But all right, but I want to let you guys know about the journey that I'm about to go on with ShutterStock here. What I'm going to attempt to do is upload 50 images per month for the next 3 months. I'm also going to include 2 videos, and I'm also going to include 1 vector image per month. And then I'm going to give you my results at the end of it. I'm also going to update you throughout and let you know what I'm doing exactly to make money online via ShutterStock. Follow me along on my journey. It's something different, and it's something that I would like to do because I do have a bunch of images that I haven't shared with anybody yet. So I have a bunch of images I haven't shared, and I want to share them with everybody. but I'm gonna do it via ShutterStock because, you know, why not? There's just sitting on my hard drive. All right, guys, go ahead and check out my other videos. Follow me on my journey. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you on the other side. Boom!